First up, most people don't know that ChatGPT can actually help you create your content ideas. With the right prompts, you can figure out how to actually speak to ChatGPT and ask it for prompts to create more social media posts, the right social media posts, blog topics, and other related content. So you can actually use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, to have unique content created for your specific audience. Because everybody that you talk to is different and needs to be communicated with differently. So ChatGPT can help you hone in on your demographics in your market so that you can create better content. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Another thing that ChatGPT and AI are really great at, these different tools can help you with writing assistance and copywriting, making sure that you are proofreading and editing your content and your emails for that matter, editing your overall writing style, and creating compelling headlines to capture your audience's attention, not just on social media or your subject lines in your emails, but also in your blog content and anything else that you're putting out. Number 3, what if I told you that ChatGPT can actually help you with market analysis and data collection? Well, good news, it can. With ChatGPT and AI, you can get up-to-date market stats. What this will do is you'll get property values, real estate trends, you'll be able to provide supporting evidence and data for your clients, stuff that you're not able to necessarily get within the MLS. You can also identify real estate trends, new market opportunities. Just imagine the competitive advantage that you will have when you're able to use AI-powered solutions properly. So a great way, and I'll have this down in a link in the comments, but a great way to identify the best up-to-date market trends is actually not through ChatGPT. There's other solutions out there, like for example, Bing, Microsoft Bing. They have an AI-powered solution that has up-to-date information because it searches the internet. So that's a tip for you. I'm sure by now you've heard all the buzz about ChatGPT and AI and what it's doing in business. And if you haven't, you just might be living under a rock. Well, ChatGPT and AI can help you in so many different ways. ChatGPT and AI can help you improve the way that you do business. It can improve your customer service, improve content creation, and just overall the way that you do business, giving you a competitive advantage. In this video, I'm going to go over just 5 ways that ChatGPT and other AI-powered solutions can help you in your business. And I'm going to drop a link in the comments, which is going to give you a resource where you can get all of the prompts that I talk about and other related resources that are going to help you scale your real estate business. So let's dive in. Now, let me ask you this question. How well do you actually know your audience? The people who are attracted to you who want to buy or sell real estate? Well, you might know them pretty well, but you get to know them a lot better when you know which prompts to use. And this is in the 4th tip that I'm giving you today. You can use ChatGPT to understand how to prompt and understand your audience, getting demographic information, segmenting them into specific targets, addressing the right pain points, and also talking about and creating relatable content, stuff that's going to educate, entertain, and inform your audience. And ChatGPT can help you with that as well. And the 5th way that I'm going to talk about in this video of how ChatGPT can help you with your social media management and your content is through scheduling and gathering analytics. So, of course, you can schedule your social media posts by using a secondary platform, but ChatGPT and other AI-powered solutions are making this even easier as time moves on. There are so many AI companies that are being launched right now. This is a whole new vertical that's going to really have a strong footprint in the world. So you can automate your scheduling, find out the best times to post, and make data-based marketing decisions based on your social media engagement. So imagine having all of the information telling you who's engaging on your social media posts, what the demographics are, how you can best reach them, all of these decisions, which is going to maximize your marketing spend and make sure that you are putting the right money in the right places in your business. So these are the 5 ways that we're discussing today on how ChatGPT and AI can help you in your content and in your writing.